creators, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be diving into some more pastel techniques along with trying a new kind of fixative. With that, let's go. I'll put a full list of the materials in the description below. First, I'm just making some cup shapes or heart shapes. Building this tulip up with a bit of back and forth with some yellows, reds and oranges. A little green for the stem at the base of the flower. And how could I forget my favorite tool for blending oil pastels, my paper tortillon. Now that my first tulip is done, let's add a bit of sgraffito with my toothpick. I'm trying to create a distressed look here that creates added interest. So here's a rule of thumb. If you're not familiar with the subject, do a bit of research and experiment a little before starting on your final piece. If you get a chance, go out in nature and observe. If not, use a photo reference, or if push comes to shove, why not take a look at an artificial flower? How does light affect the petals, the color? What shadows does it create? You can learn so much by simply observing. Remember to make sure that each one of your flowers has their own characteristics. Don't make them all the same. Give them their own personalities. Now my 3 tulips are done, let's add some leaves. This one first. Tulip leaves are long and elegant, and I had planned a rough sketch of this drawing beforehand and chose the image on the top right hand side. I want to take one of those leaves and extend it across the 2 pages. However, you have to pay special attention when you're doing a spread because of the creases between the pages. I darkened the leaves a little with a touch of red. There's often a messy stage in every drawing, but it's nothing my paper tortillon can't fix. I'm giving these leaves the same treatment as I did the flower heads. Okay, look at that. I really like this. Now let's give this drawing some extra protection. I have a new fixative. Well, it's actually a varnish. Hopefully it will work out because I have lots of pages to protect. Let's see how it works. I'm going to pour a little into the cover here. I don't need much because I don't want to waste it. Now I wanted to be really careful when applying this varnish because I don't know whether it will lift my pigment. Phew, okay, it worked. No pigment lifting. I'm just going to leave it to dry now. I've been looking at this drawing for a little while now, and I really feel it needs something on the left-hand side. What came to me was lettering. I'd love to see some text there. So this is where some Mod Podge comes in. A key thing to remember if you're going to try this is to print your text in reverse, so it comes out on the right side once you've transferred it. I made a variety of sizes to see which one would fit best. Before attempting my transfer, I'm going to protect my oil pastel drawing with a bit of wax paper. You know why? I'll tell you in a bit. A few pieces of masking tape helps to secure it into place. Before attempting to add text to my final drawing, I tested it out in an old sketchbook. I experimented with how to apply the text to the page and how the Mod Podge affected the oil pastel. Basically, I tested what to do and what not to do. I'm feeling confident now and I'm ready to do this. A little container with some Mod Podge, not too much. I don't want to waste it. A little extra tape to secure my paper. And paintbrush ready. Okay, let's give it a little stir. A nice generous amount on the paper. And I'm putting a little on the text itself too, the reverse text. It doesn't run, which is really great. Okay, let's place it down. Remember, I tested this all out first, so fingers crossed it shouldn't be too traumatic. The wax paper is covering my leaf. I believe it's going to be safe. Okay, let's let it sit for just a little while. Just testing to see if it's ready. Maybe not quite yet. So when it's still a little moist, that's when you want to lift it. This is a bit like taking the tape off your drawing at the end. But you have to do it very gradually. Take your time. Here we go. Okay, I'm kind of liking this. It's like I'm getting ancient ripped manuscript vibes here. Oh yeah, I like it. And there's my wax paper. The leaf is just fine. I'm losing a bit of text here, but that's okay. And I think we should be good to go. Yes, I quite like it. I quite like it. As for the varnish, it seems to be working out quite well. I like it, but you know what? Let's give it some time, maybe over a few days, and I'll give you an update as to how it's working out. I hope you use these ideas to create some fantastic creations of your own, or maybe one just like this. Wishing you so much love and happy creating. Remember to like and subscribe. Peace.